How you do what?
Start this.
What is that?
It's a tractor.
A tractor?
Yeah.
And what do a tractor do?
It makes your lawn. It makes you grow more food.
It makes you grow more food?
Yeah, it makes you grow food.
Okay.
Crops.
And crops?
And give away to the homeless.
So what is your name?
Demarion.
Demarion. Well,
My
good
name-
morning, Demarion.
But they call me Poppy.
Good morning, Poppy. Now you said, what is your name? Who are you?
Deshaun.
Deshaun who?
Stanford.
Okay. Well, good morning, Deshaun. How are you?
Good.
Good. Well, we are at New Light Church of God. This is Reverend Harris. We are out here fixing sprinklers today, and I was teaching the young men how to fix the sprinklers. And now we're over here by the tractor now, and we're going to showing these brothers here how to drive the tractor this morning, because we're going to start farming pretty soon, and it's just exciting to be out here. Did you get some donuts this morning?
Yeah.
Which donut did you get?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Did you get a donut? What? I'm gonna eat your donut. So anyway, we are here Saturday, and we're just going to, this is King Kong. This tractor here is named King Kong. And we're gonna start her up, and these young men are gonna plow the field here and let them get some exercise, and then we're gonna go out to our 22 acres and see what's out there, because we're gonna start planting some food now. Now, what did you say something about homelessness? Finish telling me that.
You need to go crop for. You need to grow food for homeless, because you have to go on food because some homeless people can't eat. So that's why they make food for farm. That's why they make farms to grow food for homeless.
Did you hear what he said? He said that farming is to grow food for those who are homeless. And that's exactly right. All of us have to eat on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here at New Light, a couple of years ago, we grew watermelons, we grew pumpkins. Tell us what we grew here.
Peppers, watermelon.
I can't hear you.
Pumpkins. And
Okra,
and
tomatoes,
Squash.
zucchini, white and yellow corn, cucumbers.
Yeah, them cucumbers.
Yeah.
Oranges.
And so who's your grandma?
Miss Pamela.
Miss Pamela. All right. Miss Pamela is a member of our church, and we are just glad she brought you this morning, because I'd rather spend my morning like this with you and you than doing anything else. But you guys are our future. We have to teach you, right? So we're going to go ahead and get this party started. Crank up King Kong. See what she sounds like. What do you think she's going to say when she starts? Yes. He said yes. Look in the camera and say yes.
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 Come on, I can't hear you. Come on.
Yes.
Yes. You got to put up your finger. Yes.
Yes.
King Kong.
King Kong. King Kong. King Kong. King Kong. King Kong. King Kong. King Kong. King Kong.
kind of what? Huh? Exactly kind of what? You can kind of what?
Okay, look like we've made the dogs upset this morning, but it's okay. We're going to start the tractor up. And this is Miss Pam here. Hello, Pam, how are you? Good. Thank you for bringing your grandbaby this morning.
Yeah, thank you me for coming. Getting up this early. I thought I was going to sleep here at least by 10. But he wouldn't let me. He wouldn't let me.
All right. Do you think this is a good thing
Very good.
that we're
Very good.
doing
We've been
today?
talking about it all week.
Really?
All week. That's why I'm here.
Wow.
Yeah, I
What
thought
was he
this
saying?
birthday, he can't wait to come. He had told his mom them all about the farming and stuff. Oh man, he excited. This is the first time he ever did something like this.
So,
First time he ever been on the tractor.
so we need to do more of this with our children. huh?
Yes, yes, yes. Especially these boys. Oh my God, that helps them stay off the street.
Right,
Do something in their life. Fill that void spot.
right, right,
And
right.
they see how excited they are. They're not excited.
They are excited. they listen, they're waiting on me to start that tractor King Kong, so we're gonna position this camera here and so that we can get ready to start and roll. Devon, come here. Don't tell me some alley cat jumped on you.
No.
Oh, okay. All right.